Hi Scorpio, and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of September is going to be for you, along with your health, wealth, relationship, love, money, soul path. I'm going to talk about this month along one thing that you need to take care of throughout the month. So one thing that is going to be of prime importance this month, what is going to be your soul path or soul growth this month. And if you follow the advices given by the cards about your mental exercise, about the chakra of the month, how will that change your life for good? What will be the improvement that will happen in your life? So let's just begin. This is the month where what are you stopping yourself from? So Scorpions, this is first question that I get from when I look at these cards. What are you trying to protect yourself from? What are you trying to stop happening this month? Because this is the month where if there is something that you've been trying to avoid, there is something that you've been trying to not let happen, whether it is beginning of something, whether it is end of something, whether it is having a baby, whether it is taking something forward, whether it is a change, a shift, a movement, that is something that is going to happen this month. And that will happen because that is meant to happen this month. And whatever you are, you have stuck yourself to, whatever you are actually glued to, for whatever reason you are not letting that change happen, this month is the month which is very, very powerful month to make those changes happen, because these changes are good for your growth. They are needed for your growth. And that's why I see the card of judgment, I see the card of death, I see a lover's card upside down, I see justice, I see temperance, so and I see a moon card. So there are a lot of cards which are telling me that there is something with Seven of Wands, there is something that you are trying to either protect yourself from or protect somebody else from, and that's something that is going to happen this month. And there's not much that you'll be able to do in this, but ultimately you realize that this actually happened to get into your power, and this actually happened to make your life better. So let's just start with love. With love, if there is a person who's coming into your life, if there is a person who's trying to come into your life and you've been protecting yourself from that person, and somebody from the past is a bigger chance that I see, let that person come into your life. Why? Because that person is going to give you a lot of emotional stability. Second, probably that is something that was meant to happen. And also there is a relationship change, any which ways that is coming into your life. Either you're ending a relationship, or you are getting into a new relationship, or you're announcing the world about something, about a marriage, about taking relationship forward. Something about the relationship is going to happen in your life. But because lovers is somewhere at a no space, I would say that this month it is very important to, one, listen to your emotions. Second, if there is somebody from your past that is coming, or if there is something that you think you need to protect yourself from, there is something that you think that you need to stop happening, just understand your emotions. Just sit for a while and think, why do you want to stop that from happening? What is the reason for it? And do you have a valid reason for not letting this thing happen? And whether this person has tried to come back into your life multiple times, because it's karma, because that person has to balance your life, because a King of Cups is nothing without a Queen of Cups, or a Queen of Cups is nothing without a King of Cups. And that's why that person brings in balance into your life. And though it kind of impacts your emotions, but ultimately it helps you get into your power. So think about this. If you want to get married, this is the month where you'll make that announcement of marriage. And also this month is going to be very important for you to connect with yourself, to connect with your emotions, to practice self-love. This month is going to be immensely important for you to look inwards and practice self-love. That is going to be very important this month for you. If we talk about other family members, or I see something that you might, someone in your family who you might trying to protect, or someone in your family from whom a message might come which you would not like to have. So there is a possibility where you don't want to either let go of something or let go of some person in your life, and that message or that emotional up down might just arrive to you, because this is something that is there on the horizon. You already know it, but you don't want to pay attention to it. But then that message will actually bring in balance into your life. This will work out for the best of you, and you'll have to understand that at times trying to stop things from happening does not stop things from happening, and at times trying to protect yourself from, or there could be another thing, that if you're trying to stand your ground, like if there is anything that other people are trying to tell you to do or not to do. So if they're trying to change your mindset and you're firm on your ground that I don't want to change my mindset, that for being that firm, you'll have to end something or you have to begin something. So you'll probably have to make some announcement. You'll probably have to let them know that this is why I don't want to change it. And then when you express it, when you command your power, then you'll see it happening. You'll see other people understanding this. With regards to baby birth, there is a possibility of a baby arriving in your family, and with that possibility, I also see that probably you're not ready for it. Probably it has already happened, but you did not make an announcement of it. Probably you were actually thinking that's not the right time to announce it, but it is the right time, and finally you'll make that announcement to the world. So baby birth, this is a good time to happen. Another thing, because I see a death card on your cards, death cards doesn't really mean like a literal death, though it can sometimes, but also means a renewal, also means a new person coming into your life. So if there is a pregnancy that has happened, that can be a person from your past. So there could be somebody from your relatives, somebody you were very attached to. That person is coming back into your life with this child in your or your partner's womb. So that's one thing that is very, very possible. If we talk about your health, from health perspective, I don't think there are a lot of things that you need to be worried upon. Rather, I would say that if there is anything, there is any problem that you see, don't try to protect yourself and not go to the doctor or not address it at all. Address the problem because it will be sorted, and just take care of the food that you eat or the water that you take. That's because there is cup cards, a lot of 3 of them right in a row, like 4 of them. So I would say just take care of your water intake. And for your emotional health, just take care that you see things happening for a purpose. You know that things are happening for a purpose, and whatever emotion, because I see an emotional high or an emotional low, so I see something happening with your emotions. So just know that whatever it is happening for your growth, it is happening for your good. And if there is at all any tussle or any problem that is happening with your life partner, ensure that that is happening, know that that is happening because you probably are not comfortable with your own self or your own thoughts, and there is something that you need to change within yourself before you try to change that in your partner. With regards to job or work, I see an opportunity coming to you, and I see you being prepared for this opportunity, but somewhere stopping you. So don't stop yourself. If there is an opportunity that comes, take that up, announce it to the world, and start working on it, and ultimately you'll be in your power. So if for people who do not have job, this is a good time. You'll have a job for sure. Just don't stop yourself, and just prepare yourself for the competition, prepare yourself for the interview. Know that you know it all. You just have to go there and express it. If at all some of you who have a job, their job ends this month, because there is a death card. So if their job ends this month, they will still have a new opportunity coming up to you, and coming up to them, and there is a possibility they already had a new opportunity. That's why they put down their paper, they made that announcement, and then they are on the new path now. It's all going to work out amazingly well. For people in business, I see people making some investments and some growth in business. So overall, it's a good card. If you're looking forward for a promotion, growth, or a transfer, though I see some kind of shift and movement happening, because there is death, there is Ace of Cups, I see some kind of shift happening, and also Judgment. So there is shift happening at this point in time, and there is growth also happening at this point in time. And with King of Swords, yes, you probably have to be a little vocal about it. You will have to express that you want growth, and you have to tell why and what are the things that you've done. So you have to actually put everything, take everything out from the grave, like all your work that you've done, all the achievements that you've made, make a list of it, be vocal about it, speak about it, put your case forward, and you'll see promotion or you'll see growth happening. With regards to money, there is 8 of Pentacles, so I would say nothing to worry. Just keep on working on the stuff, keep on working on the projects, keep on working on the life, and the money will keep flowing to you. So there shouldn't be any problem that you should be worried about, or there shouldn't be anything that you'll not have money or something. You'll have it, it'll keep flowing. Just ensure that this month you focus on self-love. That's going to be very important this month, and you focus on changing yourself within before you try to change others outside. For your soul growth, I see that that's why I said that this month your soul growth is all about mastering your emotions. It's all about mastering yourself. It's all about self-love. It's all about finding yourself. It's all about changing you from within. It's all about changing your emotions to be ready to be in your power. So ensure that your soul growth this month is about self-love and growing within yourself. So that's one thing that you need to take care of and do. For your mental exercise of the month, the mental exercise, the card says past lives, and somewhere probably that is what the cards are saying, that somebody from your past is trying to come back to your life, or something from your past, some emotion, something from your past is trying to come back to your life, because that needs to be healed. And that is why the past life card says that your past lives need to be healed, need to be let go of, and whatever your learnings are, they need to move forward with you. So you can actually affirm that I accept all the things that have happened in my past. I know they were to make me grow, make me become better. I'm in complete love and comfort with myself, and the same love and comfort is something that I give outside, and I let go of all the negativity from my past. Right now I let go of the need to control my life or control others' life around me, and I let myself flow. So do that affirmation every day. It will really help you. For the chakra of the month, chakra is crown chakra. Crown chakra is located here on top of the head. The chanting is either or silence. You can practice either of them, and the crown chakra will probably help you open up, understand those emotions, and have that energy flow. There is judgment, there is death. Have that energy flow within yourself so that you heal from inside. What is that one thing that you need to take care of this month? It is justice. So the cards are saying that whatever is happening for a purpose, happening to bring balance in your life, happening to have you get justice, happening to actually have you get into your power with the sword, be in your power, and it is going to help you be in your power. And that is why, and probably your angels, your guides, there's a lot of things which are behind the curtains you've not seen till now. You'll be able to see that, and you'll be moving up to the growth path. So this month, balance is very important, knowing that everything that is happening is just, has to happen that way. Karma, not trying to stop it from happening. Healing your past, healing your heart is going to be very important, and self-love. What will happen if you follow everything? If you follow everything, the Queen of Cups and Temperance. So not only will you get balance emotionally, not only will you get control over your emotions, you'll be a better person, you'll have that balance and growth in your life. So please follow these advices so that you get that growth and balance in your life. The number of the month for you is going to be number 6. Color of the month for you is going to be purple, silver, even brown. Any shade of it is going to be good for you. Violet, any shade of it is going to be good for you. And if you like these videos, please press the like button. It helps the videos become searchable. And please subscribe the channel, it is for free. And if you can share the videos with everyone that you care, that will be great. Also, your feedback and comments are very important, so do give me your feedback as to what you like in the videos, what you don't like in the videos, if there is anything else that you want me to include in the videos. And if you want to get your personalized tarot reading done, you can contact me from the Facebook link that is provided in the description box or the comment section. You just have to write that I need a reading. I will share my number and will take that forward from there. I will see you with my next month's predictions. Till then, take care of yourself, be safe, follow social distancing. Take care. Bye bye.